Hello everyone, today we will see the solution for problem B of Codeforces round 813 div 2. So first they have given an integer n and we have to print an permutation p such that the sum of LCM of 1 comma p1 plus LCM of 2 comma p2 up to LCM of n comma p1 pn becomes maximum. LCM of x comma y denotes the lowest common multiple of x comma y, and one LCM of 1 comma p1 denotes 1 is the position of the element and p1 is the element in the permutation. And they have also given a permutation definition. So if a permutation contains n distinct integers from 1 to n in an arbitrary order, then it is called as a permutation. So for example 23154 is a permutation, but 122 is not, because 2 appears twice in array. And also 134 is not a permutation because for n is equal to 3, 4 is in the array. So let's see the logic. What is permutation using an example. So for if n is equal to 4, the permutation can be 1 2 3 4, 4 1 3 2, or any other permutation of these 4 elements. So a permutation is an array containing n distinct integers from 1 to n. So for 4 it is 1 2 3 4 in any order. Next we check the input. First line is test case, and in each test case we get an integer n and we have to output the permutation for the given condition. So let's see the logic behind this question. So main logic is the LCM of any two consecutive numbers is maximum. So if we consider a comma b, so its LCM, if both of them are consecutive, their LCM becomes a into b. So LCM of 4 comma 5 is 20. Similarly LCM of 3 comma 4 is 3 into 4, which is 12. If a and b are consecutive, they both of them become co-prime, and the LCM of co-prime numbers is a into b. So we have to understand this logic only. On this logic we can solve the problem. So let's see some test cases. If the given n is even, so what should we do? For let's see by an example. If n is equal to 4, there are 4 positions, 1 2 3 4, and the highest, we have to start from highest element. For highest element, where we can put 4, so that LCM of 4 comma its position becomes maximum. If we put it on 1, the LCM becomes 4. If we put it on 2, the LCM becomes again 4. If we put it on 3, the LCM becomes 12, and if we put it on 4, it becomes 4 again. So the LCM is maximum when we put 4 on 3. After that, next element comes 3, and similarly we repeat the process and it becomes maximum on position 4. Again, when we put 2 on first position and 1 on second position. As you can see, the position and the element has a difference of 1, which makes them co-prime, and their LCM is I into P of I. Similarly, if we consider n is equal to 6, then the permutation becomes this. For 6, it should be on 5th position, 5 should be on 6th, 4 should be on 3rd, 3rd should be on 4th, and it completes the array. And the second case is if n is odd. For n is odd, if we consider n is equal to 5, we have to start from 5. We put 5 on 4th position and 4 on 5th position. Then we go to 3. We put 3 on 2nd position and 2 on 3, and the remaining 1 on 1st position. So for an odd number, the general permutation we can write is as 1 on 1st position. Then we start from 3, then 3 minus 1, which is 2. Then 5 comma 4 up to n comma n minus 1. So this will be the permutation of for an if n is odd. The logic is complete. Now you can try the code by yourself. uh, if your logic is if your logic is complete, uh, you can pause the video and try to code it by yourself, or if you have any doubt you can continue this video. I will also explain the code for this. So the code for this is very easy. First we take input test cases, and in each test case we can take n integer as input, and there is one if else statement. If n is even, we use a for loop which starts from 1 and goes until n, but after each iteration the value of I becomes I plus 2. So for one we for first iteration we see out 2 comma 2 1, then I becomes 3, then it becomes 4 3. So and similarly for odd number, we first see out 1, and then we start from 3 to uh, in this for loop we are continuing up to n, but in the for loop of for even number we only continue till n minus 1, uh, and in odd for loop for odd we see out I and then I minus 1. So the permutation becomes 3 comma 2, then value of 3 becomes 5 5 comma 4, and it goes on till n. So let's check the test cases for this. For 1 it prints 1, and for 2 it prints 2 1. Let's check for 4 and 5 which we considered while building the logic. So for 4 it shows 2143, and for 5 it shows 1325. So this is the solution of the question. If you have any doubt, you can put it in comment section or join our telegram group. There you can put your doubt and you will also get this code in text format. Thank you.